Going?
We're going.
We're going. All
Yeah.
right. Okay, we're going to make a maggot bucket for feeding our chickens. And this is one of those things that there's at least 500 different ways you can do it. So if you don't like my way, don't worry about it. I probably may not like yours. But I got feed tubs I can get from the feed store, and I get them free. So that, to me, that's a really good price. And they had cow food in there. They had cow lick in there with it. Had urea and salt and stuff like that, so the cows come over and be happy to licking on it.
And there's a pig head.
And there's a pig head.
There's the pig head.
And this year we killed one pig, and because we were involved in helping kill 2 other pigs, we were gifted 2 pig heads. And my wife says that she doesn't really want to do all 3 pig heads, so we're going to make one into a maggot bucket. And he's been sitting in the freezer now for since Octoberish, Septemberish, Octoberish, and we're gonna make a maggot bucket out of him, and let her feed our chickens. Anyway, what I do is just get a nice little layer.
With a bunch of
Tell them how to do it.
Wood chips. Wood chips.
Wood shavings.
We put some wood chippings in the bucket.
Yeah.
Like that.
Get a nice little layer on the bottom. Get a nice little layer on the bottom. I probably won't go real high, so I can later add more stuff to when the pig head is kind of done.
Probably.
Is it?
Good job.
Think
I
so?
was just fixing to say that.
Everybody needs a lot of help.
He just watched his papa do this.
Okay, and then we got our nice little pig. And ordinarily, my wife cuts like the ears and the jaws, and a lot of this ends up going to the dogs, and the dogs then drag around the head for several weeks until she gets freaked out by a skull on our property, and she makes me, or she goes and gets rid of it. Okay, we're just going to flip him up here.
When I see a lot of blood like that, I don't like it.
You'll get used to it.
That's all right.
You're a farmer. That goes in there.
Yep, we'll throw the blood in there
See
also.
there? And we'll throw the bags
That will
away.
attract the maggot,
Yeah.
the flies.
White blood.
And pretty much every morning when we come out, the buckets are pretty much full of maggots. And you open the gate to the chicken coop over there.
So we have them closed in at night.
Yeah, we have a lot of chicken. Can we show my chicken coop?
We'll be back over there just a second. They're not all in here.
And there's a spinny.
Okay, let's go back out of here. There's chickens all over the place.
And we have to protect the chickens from owls.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. Years we had problems with hawks and never a problem at all with an owl. And then 2 years ago, we
There we go.
okay, we got it all covered. The head's covered, and be easy to put more stuff in there when we kill rabbits and
You have a
kill
flea on
chickens.
your foot.
Yeah, I got blood on my foot.
No, you have flea.
A flea? That's probably not a flea.
No, that's a
Okay.
little gnat bug.
You put one thing we've done, and we like it really well.
You put
Is-
fence on it.
Right, put bricks on it, but we put this grate on here. That way, the chickens can't, when they jump in to eat the maggots, they can't scratch the dirt. They can't scratch the sawdust out.
And I think this is this another maggot bucket?
That's another maggot bucket.
And this is show them the.
That's all right. It's the flies are all over it. I just re-spruced that one up a little bit.
That's one I'm already done.
We just re-spruced it just today, and
That's our grandson.
by putting the bricks
My
on
mama
here.
is in like a nana.
Susan.
By putting the bricks on here, now the maggots will often get right behind the bricks, and the chickens will stand there just waiting and pecking at them.
Yep.
Every morning when you open up the gate, the very first thing the chickens do is run straight over to the maggot buckets and try to get some try to get as many maggots as they can. And most mornings they get quite a few maggots. I'm going to bring my hose over here and hose it down good,
And,
get wet.
a lot of the times, our dog Lula will stand at the gate and just be stuck at the gate, just sitting there.
She comes in and forgets to come out.
And Papa calls her a big chicken when she does it.
Yep, she's a big 4-footed chicken, ain't she? Although the little one's actually the chicken.
Yeah.
The little one.
Terry, the little baby dog, is scared of chickens.
Yeah.
She's afraid of chickens. The chickens scare her. Okay, we're going to water it. Make sure that we got a little drain hole down here so the water will come out whenever I get it good and wet. But make sure it's nice and wet so that maggots can crawl around easily and not dry out until the chickens eat them. And in a day or two, I can probably bring the camera out here and show a picture of the chickens eating the dickens out of the maggots on here.
And
so,
our chicken coop goes further.
our chicken coops.
Or in the
What?
pasture.
Yeah,
They
it's
go
chicken
out in the
pasture.
pasture.
Yeah,
Yeah, out there.
they got a nice little area to
And
free
I
range.
used to be scared of bumblebees.
And he's not now. That's good.
Okay.
He used to scream really loud. Stop.
All right,
Okay.
that ought to do it.
All right.
If you enjoy it, subscribe, please. And we'll be posting some more stuff. Probably going to be doing something with comfrey this afternoon. So, all right. Talk to you later. Bye.